Sir, in
Yes, Madhya.
in core
Check.
implementation, what are the languages do we know?
JavaScript.
We have to know.
Our own thing. That's it. JavaScript. That's it. Client script, whatever we see, server side script we see.
CSS?
Not required, ma. If it is required core, I will be
Okay.
covering it, ma. CS
And what about HTML
not
also?
required, ma. Not required. So CSS HTML is required when you are working for only a project called Service Portal. Okay. Apart from Service Portal, if you're working on Service Portal, you may need CSS HTML. Apart from this, you nowhere use CSS HTML in ServiceNow way, ServiceNow projects. Okay, this is little advanced and separate topic, not like this implementation. Okay, so yeah, that is the answer. You got it, ma?
Yes, sir. Yes, because I have seen CSS, HTML,
They,
other languages
they
in
will write,
service
ma. The
portal.
HR people,
So,
if you have portal, they will mention it. But HR people, what they are sending, na, the data, they will copy paste it. They will say AngularJS, bootstrapping also. They
okay,
will tell you. You may see some job posting where they say CSS, HTML, okay, you AngularJS, okay, and bootstrapping. These wordings they will mention, but they don't know what exactly that also. Okay, these are all related to portal.
okay.
Yeah, and it also use client and server
Do we
script.
know?
Why you want to
We
know?
have to know if they ask.
Why you want to know? First, you want to implement service portal, huh?
If they ask, yes,
I never work on
anything
it.
they want me to
I didn't
implement.
work on it. I can
Okay,
learn. So if do you know,
okay.
na? Do you know? Do we know? Okay. Do we know the scope is very bigger? That's what I was showing. If you say, if you try to accept that, do you know? Yes, they may ask here, or they may ask here, or they may ask CMDB. Okay, they may ask APM, PPM, HRSM, HRST. The do you know will go like this. And for anything, this is base. These four are base. So here also client and server script will come. Okay, yesterday one share, they directly given this work. Okay, service portal work. She is learning. She don't know even G form, G glide record, but they are expecting to work on this one. I said this is the flow. She is our student only. She is taking full course. So forget about them. Whatever they told, just learn. But focus from this area because if you know this area, then only this will understand. I said, what is service portal, ma? She just said, it's a page, sir. What page? She don't know. Seriously, what page? She don't know. So she is in assumption like service portal itself is a service. No, no. The answer is no. So core we need to learn, ma. That is how to say. Okay, core is important. If you don't know the core, these and all bits and pieces. Bits and pieces will not help you. You will be not in a like if you learn these kind of things in bits and pieces. No, you are not going in a right same direction. It's like a lady shopping. You know, right? That image. Gen shopping is like this. Okay, lady shopping is like a wave. You go like this, and finally you come reach here. You seen that joke, huh? Maybe I'm not commenting it, but just covering it. Okay, so yes, what is sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, see for Veda Garu especially, you no need to learn everything. Learn what I said. Apply a job. Okay, you will get a nice job. Sit there. Okay, then use that platform to groom yourself for next 6 months and 1 year, and then try anything. Until don't see anything. Trust me. Okay? If you fail in this trust, call me and
Okay,
scold me. You spoil my life, something like this. Okay? Don't see all this and confused. No? The more you see, the more you confuse. You'll get scared. Okay? So, support project. Okay? That word will spoil us. Okay? So, support projects is something like you implemented something, the project is ongoing. Okay? You have a team. Okay? Where it takes care of the one platform. Whatever the platform is needed, it could be something new, it could be something BAU means business as usual, BAC business as continuity something. Okay, that will comes under operations and support. They takes care of both. Okay, These kind of projects will be more and more than direct implementation, implement and leave. Okay, this kind of projects are little less. Okay, but these kind of projects are very more. You do everything. If they want it, you build it new. If they want it to update something which is already there, you do that. So all these things, right, will be covered generally in most of the projects. Okay, support projects in India, especially in India, it is more. Even in US also, you have more projects where support projects is a good project. No? Okay, so in support projects are generally in live projects. Okay, catalogs, service catalogs and workflows. I can say 30 to 40% of the work will come from here. Okay, it depends that I'm giving 30 to 40 only because in some cases it will be more also. You may get a complete catalogs project also. It is 100% also. You will be doing only catalogs. Okay, but mainly in this way, in general words, okay, if you generalize it, 30 to 40% of your work from catalogs only. Catalogs and workflows. Okay, for suppose if I get 10 stories for this week, minimum 4 stories will from catalogs. It could be new catalog, it could be updation of something. Okay, it could be retiring something. Okay, that is how that much important it is, right? So as we are going, as the fake experience or something like this, if you are strong with these three, you know basics, you know scripting, and you know catalogs. You can say in these 2 years of time, I implemented 50 catalogs, and I know very strong knowledge on catalog. Then if they ask you more questions here, if you are able to strongly explain them, yes, you have a lot of possibilities here. And anyway, you know scripting also. If they ask you business tools, if they ask you script include, ask you to write some scripting, client script scenarios, server-side script scenarios, data policies, UA policies, everything if you can able to speak along with catalogs, more than enough. Okay, so at least be strong in this area. And then this is again very important. We will cover this also, but this is core. That is why I'm stressing again and again and again. Prepare, 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 and all. Okay, ma. So catalogs is what is. We'll start the actual class now. So as Veda Garu asked, this is the link. Okay. What is catalog, ma? In general word, what is catalog? Girls will know more. What is catalog?
A portal of services offerings,
Portal of services offering. Very good. Okay, good.
or it is like an Amazon like experience
Hmm.
Where it
where
is like
we can.
collection,
Oh,
we can select from that.
So don't see maybe IT terminologies and all. I don't know. In general, I'm very layman. I just passed 10th class like with very 35 marks. Okay, so I don't know anything. So I want to know what is catalog. Maybe if I ask like this, what you tell in general examples.
One in one
Collection of
page to
selected
we
items.
have
It's item
It's an item.
requesting.
Okay,
It's menu,
it's a
menu card.
menu card,
Restaurant menu.
restaurant menu. Very good. So
It has
I understood
it has
only one
subcategories.
list of categories. So far, I understood only one thing like restaurant menu because I go to restaurant, I see menu. Okay, good. And then that is the catalog we can say.
It's like a shopping cart.
Shopping catalog. If you go to shopping, they will give you one book where models will be wearing dresses, so you can select and then see the color and all.
Like Flipkart, Amazon.
Amazon, Flipkart, their items will be listed as a catalog. Very good. What else? Maybe if you go to paint shop, they also will give you paints, models, colors, building buildings with paints. Okay, the shades and all. That is also a catalog. Okay, catalog. The general meaning of catalog is a display. All are correct only, but display the items. Okay, to advertise it or maybe to make it available to order it. If it is online portal, shopping portals, their catalog meaning is different. If you go to menu, Okay, there in menu chicken, yesterday we went, Sunday we went, no, there we seen a big menu, chicken items, mutton items, okay, juice items, all items. So we picked it, what we want it. That is also a catalog, right? So display of an item is a catalog. We can say that. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh, right. So now, one second. In ServiceNow, how we can have a catalog? So see here, if you go, okay, to our main page, what exactly we provide to customer as a project? What exactly we do
Service.
to service, right?
Service.
ITSM service. Okay. So unlike food items, unlike fancy items, display items and all, here we have a catalog, the items to provide a service to the client. This is also a catalog. See here, ServiceNow, self-service, service catalog. Okay, maybe this is how people will see. I am not showing service portal view. Okay, people will show like this in maybe if you are in a project, you may see the same thing. I told now what is service now. Service portal. Service portal is a page. Yes, it is a page. Page of what? Page of same thing what you see. Service now in a different view. Okay. So see here. I am seeing service catalogs. Okay, like this. So see here service no. I opened it no service no service catalog. I clicked this. When I clicked this, you got like this, right? This is the page in UI 16, normal traditional way. So if you go under services, okay, maybe you see service based catalog items. You want to raise a endpoint security request, okay, big data analysis request, firewall rule change. So these are all different services that are there in the organization. That means if you raise this form, if you open this form, raise a request, it will create a ticket to some group which are meant for this particular service. Okay, we created one catalog item here that is like adding user to group. Every time if anyone wants to raise a ticket to add any user to group, okay, he will go and raise a request. Here you will select user and group and then it will come to ServiceNow platform support team. We will add it. Correct, ma? Yes, what you are getting right, what exactly will be placed here and in service catalogs.
Yes.
Okay. And the same view, if you see in a portal, service portal, this is also same. How you are seeing there will be shown here also. The view is different. This is a portal view. Portal is a page where it looks in a different way. That's it. Okay. To do this job, so if you want to do some activities in portal, okay, Control Alt. One second. Okay, there is something called widget is there, and in the widget you need to write all these codings. Okay, Bootstrap is not a coding one, but CSS, right? CSS, yeah. See here, HTML, CSS, client side, server side, and like this. So that this is the expectation. That's why people will ask, okay, if you have any requirement on CSS, okay, any requirement on portal, they will expect like, okay, you need to have basic idea of this one. That is the reason yesterday we posted no service portal classes are starting. First line we set it is these are essential, these are prereqs. People are coming, sir, I want to learn service portal. I asked like, do you know service now? They said no. Then why you are learning? They don't know service now. Okay, but they are coming here as service portal. If we teach them what they will understand, ma. Cheating them, na? Because they don't know client script, they don't know server side script, nothing. Glide record, they don't know. Glide form, they don't know. Basics, they don't know. How they will understand? They don't know service catalogs. Because here what you are showing catalogs, right? categories, catalogs, availability of them you are showing here and you are controlling from here. If you don't know what is catalog, category, all this stuff, what you write exactly here, nothing. I'm correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So
Yes.
this is the expectation. I said no. And even the girl who called me, the Gen Pact girl, she is learning directly this one. She don't know this one. That's why she joined our classes. Okay, to learn the base and then go. So this is altogether a different topic. That's what I want to stress here. But the portal is something what you see the same service catalogs in a different view. Not only catalogs, but if you just go, if you say one button, it opens the catalogs. Okay. If you click one button, it opens all the knowledge bases. See here, knowledge bases is one topic, KB, right? You see all the KBs. If you don't want to see in this view, SP view, service portal view, you just go here and say knowledge. Knowledge. There is no home page. Huh? So ServiceNow knowledge management, knowledge bases. You see the same knowledge is like this. Okay, maybe there is a home page for knowledge management. That's what I'm missing. Service articles. I'm looking for a kind of place where we have this one. Okay, this is knowledge homepage where you see all the knowledges. Okay, here you can search also. I don't have many, but in live it will be in the hundreds or thousands. So let's say printer issue. Okay, printer I said. If any knowledge is there with the printer, you may get it. Maybe laptop issue. Okay, see here, issues, the word matched with the issue, and maybe we got some results here. Okay, if our issue is there, maybe that would be relevant. If it is not, then no. But at least there are in 32 knowledges, it is matching. No? The same, if I open it, it opens this issue, Outlook issue. So if you have an Outlook issue, maybe how you can fix by yourself. This is the data. The same view, how you are seeing here in UI 16 can be seen in portal. Okay, here also you can search what is that issue we written, ma? Laptop.
Laptop
We
issue.
written laptop issue, but it was this one. But let it see. Okay, it is also doing the same thing. Got the same results. If you open it, it is opening in SP view, service portal view. Same. What is the difference here? Nothing. Correct? You are all getting what is service portal, ma? Yes or no? So it is not something very new. It is not something very light. It is also one view, one page,
User friendly.
user friendly. This was more lavish. Okay.
So can we say this is the page where we can order
Service
items
portal
and
is
view knowledge?
simple, ma. Service portal is a new advanced page where you see the same UI 16 in a different view and it is a little faster and you see more cosmetic way. That's it. It is not something very new. It is also your service now also. Only a view kind of thing. See here, SP question is there. Here, normal view will come. SP will not come. If you are in the SP view, then that is service portal view. Okay. So I don't drag it, but just setting the expectation if you want to go here. Okay, if anyone want to, if any, whenever you face a service portal, don't imagine like it's something very new technology, nothing. It is again a feature which is little advanced and it requires different set of concepts to prepare. Okay, so now portal is not required for us for now, but here catalogs is required. What is a catalog is you see from portal or you see from here, whatever it is, you have a list that supports your service. Okay, the list could be categorized like this. This is categorized. It could be software request, it could be hardware request, software request services. Okay, I want to do backup of my server. Okay, server is loaded and it is almost like filling with its space. Okay, it is maybe 1000 terabytes and 950 terabytes are already filled it up. So the server owner raised a request like take a server backup. Then it will goes to okay DBA team, backup team. They will take the backup. They have the other big servers where they dump the data, old data to that. Okay, that is one service in our organization. Correct? To request that backup ticket, the user of like owner of the server, how he raise it? He will go to one form. He will raise a request mentioning the server name, okay, and providing the details, and then he will submit it. And once he submit, it will go a task-based ticket to backup team, server backup team. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
And this is a service. Maybe you want a laptop, you want an extra monitor. Monitor will come maybe in hardware. So the same catalog item only, the same flow, but how you are displaying here, you use category. Category we see it. We will create one catalog item. Maybe we will see what is category. Okay, if you select it, how you placed it. Okay, softwares. Maybe you want some application to be installed. Snagit, you want to install it. So you raise a request. Okay, to and select that application as Snagit, and then you raise it. It will go to your local service desk or maybe N&S team. They will come and install it, or it will go to SCCM team. They will push it from SCCM console remotely. Deployment tool. Okay, same category is categorizing like partitioning or separating the entire catalog catalog items into place okay pieces, right? You may see a different categories in your life. The terminologies will be different, but this is the thing. What is catalog item? Service catalog. Okay. Why I said 30 to 40% of our work will be under catalogs is because in live environments, a company will be providing more service only. It is providing service, right? So when it is providing service, how the receiving part, how we are managing the receiving part. I want something. Okay, if I come to you and say, do this, will you do? As a employee, as a team member of our team, let's say your service, you are DBA backup team. You are all DBA backup team. Okay, I am a owner of a database server. Okay, I come to you, orally said, okay, I want this backup. Do, will you do?
No.
No. Initially,
No.
no. Maybe yes, but we may say, okay, this is not the way you need to ask me. There is a form. Open the form, submit a ticket, we will do. If you like, if you do like that, now how many people will come to you and say, and where you are tracking, where you are systemizing it? So if you go this way, whoever wants it, they will raise it. That creates a ticket to your queue. You take the ticket, finish the ticket, close the ticket. So this is one example. So in organization, how many examples we can frame? Everything is a service. Every team do something. So for their work, one form will be there. Let's say ServiceNow platform support team. How many activities we handled? Okay, we will handle group management, user management. Let's say one person wants a new group. For that, we will give a form. ServiceNow group management. Request type, create, update, retire. Okay, and then give the specification. That is a catalog item, right? Catalog for catalog creation also. Someone wants a new catalog item creation. So we will give okay catalog item management. Create, update, retire. If they want to create a new catalog item, then they have to fill out what are the specification. If they want to modify, they have to select which catalog item they want to modify. If they want to retire, they will select which catalog item. This is second example. Third example, user maintenance. Okay, we seen it. Adding no group management, catalog management, user management, adding users, removing users from groups. That is also one management. So these are the services that we do now. So for that also we are giving a form to them, and then if someone asks us, okay, we'll politely will say, please fill the form, submit a request, we will handle. Correct? So like this, we can
Yes.
build our own services. Like let's say you are covering 10 services. For incidents, you have one form. For requests, other requests, you have a form. For catalogs, you have a form. So you will be creating more catalog items and displaying here, and users will be opening that respective form and submit a request. That's how in live environment you will be seeing ample more and more catalog items. In my organization, we have close to 1500 catalog items. That means the organization is that much bigger. Those many teams, those many kinds of works are there. It doesn't mean like 1500 teams are there, man. Maybe one team is handling maybe five types of services. Right? For service now, how many examples we told? We told five examples. Okay. Backup and storage. For storage one, backup one, two, general maintenance three, Windows patching four. Okay, in Windows issues five. Something, five services. So if you start seeing the things na, like this, everything is a service. For everything, for every service, there would be a form. Correct?